Hi, welcome to Sarah's Creative Corner. I am so excited to share with you the finds I got today. First of all, I have been wanting these for ages. As you know, we love to cook in our house. These are the Le Creuset pinch bowls. Are they not cute or what? Look at the different colors of stoneware, and I got them 30% off. I am absolutely in love. I'm sure you will see these coming in future videos, but I have to tell you, adorable. Next, from Mud Pie, I got this adorable spoon rest. I could not be happier. It's going to sit by my stove, and then I will put it away at the end of the season. I think it's even better because of the fact with it saying joy, I think I can have it out really from October through January. Finally, I got a couple extra things. This is for my daughter. She has just moved into her first home and loves Brie. I will let her unwrap the wrapping paper off of it for us. You can see here it's a cute stoneware. And Audrey, what are some of your favorite Bries?
Oh, I love all Bries. Some of the things I love to dip in Brie are some bread, crackers, fruit.
And do you put toppings on it?
Yes, I put kind of jellies. I love to put raspberry jam on my Brie.
Oh my goodness, isn't this so cute? And Audrey, you were reading the directions. You put this where?
You put it in a 350-degree oven and you cook your Brie for 15 minutes.
And it even comes with a little knife. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, you can spread your Brie on your bread.
And Audrey, you were thinking that you have a late Thanksgiving with some family, and you were thinking you'd use that for that?
Yes, that's going to be my side I bring.
So then I had gotten some Le Creuset Toughened Nonstick Stickware, and you can see here I am using them to cook some chicken in it. We have an induction stovetop, and for years I've been looking for some cookware that is induction, will work on an induction stovetop and is good quality. And I got these, and I have to tell you, they are outstanding. I'm going to do a little video on them, but I can tell you I have not burned anything yet. You can brown butter, you can scald milk, you can burn cheese, and it just comes off lickety split. So it is absolutely awesome. I'll go ahead and link them below, but like I said, I'll do another video on these. But if you're looking for some nonstick pans that are for an induction, I could not be more happy with this. So finally, I got a couple things because of those nonstick pans. I wanted to make sure I wasn't using metal, and I got this. It is Zyliss, and it is a does it all spatula. And I'm going to go ahead and take that out and use it. And then I got this. It is a flexible spatula from Good Grips, and you can see I have fun today. So we just wanted to do a quick unboxing as we were looking at some of my fun finds. Hopefully you guys are finding some fun things this Christmas season. Do a link below and tell me what are some of the fun things you found, and do you have these pinch bowls, and do you find that you're using them? I'd love to know what are some of your favorite things this holiday season as I'm starting to look for Christmas items for my children and my sisters. What are some of your favorite things? And comment below, and I will link all of these below in the comments. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.